Okay. Next method, Newton's divided difference interpolations. Newton's divided interpolation. In this method, there are two conditions satisfied. The given x value, that is x naught to xn, x naught to xn, the difference between two x value, it is not equal intervals. It is not equal intervals. Intervals between two x naught values. This is for x naught, x1. The intervals and x1 to x2. Intervals x2 to x3. The intervals between two x value, it is not equal. Okay, at that time we can use the Newton's divided difference interpolation, as well as y or f of x. Y or f of x, that is y naught to yn value large. We can use the Newton's divided difference interpolation. When we can use the Newton's divided interpolation formula, there are two conditions. The given x value between x naught to xn, intervals between two x value, it is not equal, as well as the given y value, y or f of x, from y0 to yn, the y value large means we can use the Newton's divided difference interpolations. Now, this is the difference table for Newton's divided difference interpolation. The first column represents for x. X is nothing but arguments, and y or f of x. Y or f of x. This is called entry. Now, y value and x value, the question itself given. Okay. Now to find out the first divided difference. The formula for f of x naught comma x1. How to find out this one? This is the formula, that is f of x minus f of x naught divided by x1 minus x naught. The difference between f of x1 minus f of x naught divided by x1 minus x naught. This is for f of x naught comma x1. The same thing, f of x1 comma x2. F of x1 comma x2. The difference between f of x2 and f of x1. F of x2 minus f of x1 divided by x2 minus x1. Next, to find out f of x2 comma x3. The difference between f of x3 minus f2 divided by x3 minus x2. Okay, this is the first divided difference, delta f of x. Next, second divided difference. The second divided difference, this is the formula f of x naught, x1, x2. How to find out this one? The difference between these two. The difference between these two. That is f of x1 comma x2 minus f of x0 comma x1 divided by x2 minus x0. x2 minus x1. Next, f of x1, x2, x3 equal to the difference between these two. F of x2 comma x3 minus f of x1 comma x2 divided by x3 minus x1. x3 minus x1. Okay. Now the difference table we can extend up to the single value. Up to the single value. Next is the third divided difference table, delta cube f of x. The formula f of x0, x1, x2, x3. How to find out this one? The difference between these two. The difference between these two. F of x1, x2, x3 minus f of x0, x1, x2 divided by x3 minus x0. x3 minus x0. Okay. This is the formula for Newton's divided difference. Now the formula of Newton's divided difference interpolation formula. Y or f of x. Y or f of x equal to f of x0. F of x0 plus x minus x0 into f of x0 comma x1. F of x0 comma x1 plus x minus x0 x minus x1 into f of x0 comma x1 comma x2 plus we can extend the formula up to this one, x minus x0, x minus x1, x minus x2 into f of x0 comma x1 comma x2 comma x3. This is the formula for Newton's divided difference interpolation. Okay. Here the f of x0 value is this one, and x the in question itself. The question itself x given. Now to find out the corresponding y value, we have to substitute here minus x0 value. This is for x0 into f of x0 comma x1. F of x0 comma x1. This is the first divided difference result. Same thing we can have to extend the formula. This one. Okay.